All right, this is gonna be a short and sweet video looking at the capabilities and uses of a heat press tool. So this video is sponsored by Xtool. They sent me their latest product, which is their heat press 3-in-1 machine. It comes with the main heat press, a platform to rest it on, and then this easy detach platform that allows you to put this machine in there and then press it down onto your surface. It also comes with a control panel that allows you to adjust temperature and time. And then it also comes with this super cute little thing that looks like an iron, but it's called the mini press. It can heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and is perfect for getting into hard to reach places to apply vinyl or ink transfer or all of that stuff. There are several different uses of what a heat press tool can do, and I tested a few. I wasn't able to test all of them just based on the other equipment that is required to create your designs that you want to basically heat onto your material. But just a quick overview, you can do vinyl, which is just ironed on basically with high heat. I did a small little icon on the hat, and then I did one side on this bag with the gold vinyl. And then you can use ink transfer paper, which is something that it has the ink soaked into the fabric versus the vinyl is vinyl on top of the fabric, if that makes sense. And then here I just did another vinyl. This is white vinyl. And then there's another thing you can do, and that's with sublimation paper. I think that's how you pronounce it, maybe? Sublimation paper. And this you actually put in a printer and print your design completely on it. And so you can do really detailed designs. Whatever your printer can print, you can then transfer that design onto a material like a t-shirt or a bag or earrings or coasters or pretty much anything that you can think of, you can transfer that, which is the same for these vinyl and the ink transfer as well. But the thing with the sublimation paper is you have to have an inkjet machine, and then you have to have sublimation ink in that printer, which I do not have an inkjet printer, and I didn't realize that sublimation ink was required, so I borrowed my sister's printer and printed some really fun designs. But then when I tested it, researched more because it didn't work and realized that you have to have the special ink. So I wasn't able to test this design, but I really want to at some point. So at some point, I want to get an inkjet printer and put the right type of ink in it and get it to print, because I think that'd be so fun to get just really good designs out of just printing it. So this machine has precise temperature and time control, and it also has 4 customizable presets thanks to the Bluetooth connected Easy Control hub. The precision temperature is important because something with vinyl is a lower heat compared to the ink transfer, and then the sublimation paper is all the way up to 400 degrees that it needs to transfer that ink. And this mini can go up to 400 degrees, which most mini presses that other brands sell can't go up that high. And so this little tool is perfect for hats. That's how I was able to get into this little area on the hat super easily and also get the right temperature. Another cool setup for this whole system is the Easy Press platform. You can easily attach or detach the main heat press. Once it's on the platform, you can heat press your items with consistent pressure, and also your hands are free once you've got it there. You can also adjust how much pressure is being put on with the knob in the back. So something that would be super handy to create customizable designs would be to have a connection from your computer to a machine that can cut out your designs. So I do not have anything like that. My mom has an old Cricut machine that only uses the cartridges. So I picked a few designs from there that I liked and was able to at least test this whole process out. And I'm really excited to eventually do more with it, as I get a machine that I can actually customize my very own designs and transfer it to get cut out. And so you can do that with newer Cricut machines, but also Xtool has a product can integrate with their laser and all other things as well. This whole setup from Xtool with the heat press, the mini press, control system, and the platform are more cost effective and also more efficient than other brands. So if you're looking into creating products that require a heat press machine, be sure to check out their products. I am so excited to learn more about the capabilities of these and also to just at some point be able to do more designs once I get a machine that can cut out those custom graphics. I've always known about the vinyl and being able to do that, but then I've learned about the sublimation and the ink transfer stuff, and I'm really excited about what that could be as far as getting such detailed and interesting designs onto fabric, especially fabric because of my sewing stuff. So at some point, I want to get something that can cut things out and also a printer that can print on the sublimation paper. But if you already have something like that and you want to upgrade as far as not using an iron anymore, again, check out Xtool. You can find the link down in the description below. Thanks for watching this very quick video, and as always, go out there and learn, create, and inspire.